Complete each of the following statements. If one cat has 16 whiskers, then 7 cats will have blank whiskers. So the blank is what we need to find. So we are to complete the blanks, so that's what it says complete. And in example A, we have missing whiskers. So what are we given? One cat has 16 whiskers, then 7 cats. So in example A, just to guide you, you can start with a picture or some kind of a diagram. So you could say a circle for one cat and you have 16 whiskers. So I can say 8 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then, or you could say the number 16 inside, right? So you could keep that instead of drawing. And then you can say, well, I have exactly the same. The cats have whiskers, so now you have 7, so you need to repeat your picture. Or so what will be a shortcut of, instead of drawing, right? So it is multiplication, yes. So for example A, you have 16 times 7, so you would answer that on your own. So let's move on to example B. If 3 slugs have 6 ice stalks, then 2 slugs will have how many? So same idea, let's kind of draw a picture at first to figure out what's given. So we have 3 slugs, so 1, 2, 3, and then they have together 6 eye stalks. So how much would each? So if it's 6 all together, I can divide them into the 3 I have. So how much does each one have? So each has 2. And then can you answer now the question on your own? They are now asking, well, how many would only 2 have? So you could see that. So similarly, you want to pause the video to write that down and then do example C. So for letter C, try it on your own, and then again draw a picture if you have to. So what they're saying is that 8 spiders have 64 legs, so 8 of them. Then 5 spiders will have how many legs? So again, a picture is a good way to start, and then you could go from there.